Hello friends. So we have a question on probability density function. In this we have been given an fx which is a probability density function, and it is given that for x ranging from 0 to 1 this function is this, otherwise the probability is 0. That means whole of the probability is lying between when x is ranging from 0 to 1. So we have to identify the value of k and the expectation value. So what information we can get from here is that if we sum up all the probabilities when x ranges from 0 to 1, the sum should come out to be equals to 1, because the complete probability is equals to 1. So when I am saying this sum, I am basically saying let us integrate px dx. Here p is the probability density function. So if we integrate k divided by root under 4 minus 3x square into dx from 0 to 1, we must get equals to 1, because that is the sum of the all probabilities. So let us try to integrate this function. For integrating this function, we would be using an integration formula of a square minus x square integration. This is nothing but sine inverse x by a plus c. So we would be using the integration formula of the sine inverse x by a. So let us now try to integrate this given function by using this formula. So k is a constant, we are taking this out. Now integrating from 0 to 1, dx divide by, I am taking this 3 outside of the root, so this will be k divided by root 3, and what I will be left behind is 4 by 3 minus x square, this equals to 1. So this is k by root 3. Integrating from 0 to 1, this is dx root under, this will be 2 by root 3 square minus x square equals to 1. So what we are getting is a similar formula this, so we can simply write this as sine inverse x by a, so x divided by 2 and root 3. Now the limits are from 0 to 1 and equating it to equals to 1. So what we are getting is k divided by root 3 sine inverse root 3 by 2 minus 0 equals to 1. Sine inverse root 3 means an angle which gives the value of root 3 by 2, which is pi by 3, equals to 1. So we can get the value of k as 3 root 3 divided by pi. So our probability density function fx, or sometimes it is also called as px, will be equals to 3 root 3 by pi, since the value of k is 3 root 3 by pi, into 1 divided by 4 minus 3x square for x ranging from 0 to 1, and otherwise it is 0. Now in the second part, what we have to do is we have to identify the expectation value ex, which is again the integration of x into px dx for the whole range. In this case it is generally from minus infinity to infinity, but in this case the whole range will be from 0 to 1. So let us try to solve it further. So what we would be getting is 0 to 1 x multiplied by 3 root 3 by pi into 1 by root under 4 minus 3x square into dx. So now integrating this function, we can further solve this. This is an integration taking this constant out. This is from 0 to 1 x divided by root under 4 minus 3x square into dx. Now, we can use a simple substitution here, or if we can understand, we can also simplify it like this: 0 to 1. This will be 4 minus 3x square raised to the power minus half, and already we have x here, so what we can do is write a minus 6 here and also write minus 1 by 6 into dx. Now this whole integration will come out to be 3 root 3 by pi into minus 1 by 6 into 4 minus 3x square raised to the power plus half divided by plus half, limits ranging from 0 to 1. So this will be 3 root 3 by pi into minus 1 by 6 into 2, and putting value 1, so 4 minus 3 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, and then putting x equals to 0, so we will get minus 2. So simplifying this, 3 root 3 by pi into minus 1 by 3 into minus 1. So what we get is 3 root 3 by pi into 1 by 3, or root 3 by pi. So this is the integration or the expectation value for this question. So our solutions are root 3 by pi is the value of ex. This question also involves some part of integration also, and the value of k is 3 root 3 by pi. For more such questions, do visit our www.iitnacademy.com and register for detailed explanation.